She would always try and fill a certain void if you were sitting with a void. She was an exceptionally passionate person as well, about her work, about every single thing, her family. Like I said, Marissa and her daughter, please keep them in your prayers. Keep our family in your prayers. We as the family would also like to thank you as well for the support that you have been showing us through this extremely tough time. And it's also going to get tougher as well. But like we just would ask you is just to keep us in your prayers. Thank you so much.